Social media group is just like what brands appointing celebrities as their brand ambassador. Let's say MTN have a new product that they want to offer to people between the age of 25 to 35. They will need a celebrity that has a large following of people within that age bracket. Davido and Wizkid, for instance, have such millions of their followers are people in that age bracket. So Globe will make Wizkid their brand ambassador for that package so that they can be able to reach those audience through that celebrity. So that's what brands do. They use people that have a fan base that is their target audience to reach that audience. Even television program, radio program have audience that watch them. If those people fall into your ideal customers, then you use that platform to reach those people by running advert on that platform. Likewise, social media groups. A group is an association of people of common interest. Nobody joins a group if they don't have interest. If you are not interested in catfish, why would you join a catfish farming group? You join a catfish farming group if you have interest to be a catfish farmer too, or if you have interest to sell catfish, maybe a restaurant for catfish delicacies. So you only join a group if you have a reason. Group have a specific audience. So the group where the people that have need for your product, where they belong, these are the groups where you join. When you join this group, listen to what your audience are talking about. Read comments. When you begin to see a particular issue coming up over and over, those are the key things your target audience have interest in. Now you know what their interest is. Now you know how to position your product by showing them how your product already solve those recurring needs you see they are talking about.